Hi chickens! Welcome back to my video. So this is me doing a other Lego video. Yeah. Lego. So this is a fruit shop we're making. We're making a fruit shop.
We start with number 1.
Start with number 1, this.
You get the long one.
The long, this. So we will just
Put it
get this.
both at the end.
And this. Okay. Where?
Sa end siya. 1, 2. Put at the end.
Here. Yeah.
No, not there muna.
Where?
Tama dito. Sa end. There.
Okay. Good. Lagay ko. Ay! Yan.
One more. The other end also.
What about that?
Later pa yun. Ito.
You're not helping me. Thanks.
And then,
So we already have this.
ito square. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah.
Where do I put?
Doon, sa tabi. Beside there. Oh, see? Is it correct? Wait. There.
Sabi mo,
No,
put in the
here.
side eh.
Here. Oh. Look at the picture. Oh. Dito. Here, dito.
Here.
And then this one here. Here. The second one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here.
No, here. Second. Look at the picture. Can you see the picture? The second siya. Oh, tapos the other 3. Here. 1, 2, 3.
Too hard there.
1,
2.
2. Okay. Now we made number 1.
We made number 1. Yay! What next? Oh, I know this. This.
Okay, go to number 2 na. 2. So what now? No, like this. You see? You do like this.
Then what do I put there? In the middle.
Yeah, go like this. Something wrong.
What?
There's something wrong. Wait.
These are glasses. Oh. Wait.
Beside. Dito pala sa beside.
Oh, it's a cup.
Okay. Ito pala dyan. In the middle.
Okay.
Sa middle. There. Good.
Good. Lagay ko. Now we have this.
Next.
We added a yellow. Is this what
Isa
you
at
make
the
it
end.
here?
Sa end muna to. Dito. Here. Put it here. There.
Natatanggal.
Here.
Natatanggal siya. There's a gap. There.
And then here. Put here. At the side here 2. 1, 2.
2.
I think this one.
2 of what?
Look at the picture. Yeah. Mix up this one, huh?
Ay. Sorry. My feet kasi it's moving it eh. There's a gap. Yan. Okay. Why are you so fast?
Okay. We're done now.
Oh,
It's number
my feet.
2.
Kanina na show ko feet go.
Number 2.
We're done with number 2. Oh. Yeah. There's all
Number
gray
three na.
and there's only one like this. This
Okay,
three.
number 3. Here. This one, number 3.
So what will I get this?
That one here.
Oh my
Sige,
god.
where do you put it?
Hmm?
Brown? No. Brown muna.
Okay.
Here. The brown should be here. I know. Can you see it?
Yes. Yan. If it makes a sound, it means not ano siya. Pero
This one.
if it doesn't make a sound,
Next.
this what
This one here. Diba? Is it correct?
yes.
Then the light pink muna.
Hmm?
Light pink and then hot pink. Do it. Yes.
Baka masira. Wait.
One more. And then the orange.
Where do I put orange? There in the side here.
There. Good. We're done.
We already have this. We already have this.
4.
Yan. Oh.
Go to number 4.
Four. This is 4. Or that's 4. What do I put? But this or this?
Then
They
the
look the same.
parang flower.
This, what I'm holding right now.
Let me see.
They look the same.
I think this one.
You're not looking.
Is there a top and the bottom? No. Where's the top and the bottom? Is it the same? Top and bottom?
That's I think that's like, okay.
Yeah. There. You put the ano there. Ito muna. Here. First one here. Put it there. Here. And oh, look wow. And then next is this one. And then the green.
Hey, you're
and
so
then the red.
fast.
Yeah, next. Yellow.
Lazy guagua. Foxy. My hands are too
Green.
big.
Give me the green.
My hands are too big. I cannot.
Give me the red.
Okay, you're so fast.
And then next. The head. Where's the head?
The head. The head is here.
Okay, put it here. Then, sa butas. Baliktad. Look at it properly. The green is on top. You see? Tama ba? Is it the correct shape? No, baliktad
I
yata.
don't know. Not correct. They must fit.
Shape means baliktad.
We already have this. Yay! We added a bit more.
5.
5 is what? Here?
Five.
5. What first?
Start first with this one. At the end. Here. One and then another one in the
Be
corner.
careful. Baka tumalsik. Be careful. Not too hard like the washing machine. Yeah.
Corner.
Yay.
And then what's next? The one with the hole.
Hululi. Digila. Digila. It's too long.
And then next.
More.
And then
Dit. Dit.
here in the front. Here.
Here. Quit. I will pee first. Pause. Hi guys, so I'm back.
And now doing the number 7.
Yay. So what's
6
it?
pala mo na. 6.
6 here. 6.
You do like this one.
Which one is 6?
Do like this.
Is it 6?
You put on top of each other.
Oh,
2 times. Yan. 1 and then 1 more. 2 siya. Yan. 2 times. Make it straight.
I will also do this.
Mm-mm.
Wait.
And then this one. Do like this. 2 times.
You do the other one. You're to pass. Why are you so fast?
Give me.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, what's next?
I assemble, you put. I put. Okay.
So where do we put this? Put it here.
Okay.
And the other one on the other side.
It's with you. Tapos ako mag-put ng second. Where's the second? Here, in the second line. Here.
This is a clear one.
Hello.
Clear one we put here.
Let me pause this cause the video is too long.
Okay.
Hi guys, so this is what we have now versus the other one. Try to rewind this. 11. Fly, fly, out around the sky, fly, fly. I will play Jack and Point.
Where do we put the 11?
Do you know Jack and
In the
Point?
middle.
Do you know Jack and Point? I know how to play, but I'm not good at it. Bam.
Okay, do this now. Number 12. Watermelon.
This.
It's a watermelon.
Do we wait? Right?
Yeah.
There's something in the middle, but yes. Ito. Paano ba?
Yan. Sige.
Like that. Good.
Connect. Connect it like that.
How?
Connect it.
I'm dumb. Wait, how? Put it go here. Then here.
And then under is the red.
It's a watermelon.
Ito. Push.
Ay, nahulog pa. Little sick. Yeah.
And then next.
Dapat may sound. What next?
Ito.
Will I connect this?
No. Connect it here.
Joy and hope and glow. Good times are bringing. And why are you so smart?
You just follow the drawing. Follow the drawing.
Oh.
Next. 2 more. Baliktad. 1 more.
Wait, we're almost done. Baliktad ulit like this. But I put it like this. Baliktad ulit. Yes, tapos lagay mo lang dito. There's a hole. Wait. Yan, we're done.
1 lang pala siya. Ang dami pa, oh. So many things pa.
My
To complete the city. It's a city.
yes, it's a city. My classmate have this. I want Santa the
Flower.
flower. I want Santa the flower or the lipstick.
Yeah, we're complete na.
Oh, what happened there, boys? I want.
Sticker. G1, G2, G3.
Ah, okay.
Seeds pala yun. G2 is the seeds. 4 seeds. How many seeds do you have?
I will
5.
get this Sana kaso I got this.
G2 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seeds.
Ayaw matanggal.
What is G1?
Do we have to
Here.
cut it? And now stars shine.
I think we have to cut eh.
We are done, guys. This is our fruit shop. Yay! Wait. Yeah. Oh, baliktad.
Ay, baliktad nun.
No, cause the cup. So you're gonna drink it from the ceiling?
It's like that, oh. Look. Baliktad talaga.
Yours like this. Oh.
Sige, we're done ah. Bye guys.
Bye, chickens.
We're done.
See y'all. See y'all tomorrow. See you next week. I will make a video next week. Oh, bye-bye. Bye, chickens. Love y'all.